Here we go.
Fish. Ooh,
Jumping fool. About 11 or 12 to start. It's off. Feisty guy.
So 12 or so?
Yeah, just about. He's got that ugly looking bull snout. 11 3/4, you know? A little different kind of looking fish than what we see on the west side.
Look at the spots on that thing.
Yeah, nice.
Fucking bright
nice. Red. 13 or so, I guess?
Yeah. Let's go with about 12. Not quite 12. Huh. There's a bigger one in that hole. Right, basically right in front of me. Couldn't see the bottom.
Darker rocks too or something, who knows?
Yeah. Something about the color of the bottom. Because I can still see the fucking ground in front of my feet at waist deep, so. Fish?
Yep.
Alright.
Brown? Little brown.
Shit.
Nice. Get it out of there. It's coming right out, yeah. Little brown. There's a fish.
Under the tree?
Right under the rocks there. Hit it on the drop. Little brown. Nice looking fish. That was a really healthy looking fish.
Nice fat.
Yeah. Real kind of silky. Oh, 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 there you go. That was a cool strike, wasn't it?
It was. Let's go right up on the beach there, buddy.
It was kind of interesting to see how he did that. He was planning that out. Yeah, lots of spots. Jeez.
Pretty little fish. Get the blue cheeks. Back you go. He nipped at it a couple of times before he caught it too. Because he nipped at it as I pulled it through the hole, and then he followed it out. For like Genoa fish hatchery and a couple. I think she said they have like 9 states that they're in charge of with their office in Twin Cities. Oh, hey cutie! I can't believe he came back the second time.
Cool strike. Cool strike. Wow, you're really yellow-bellied.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Come back again, and I will taunt you a second time.
How does this guy get stuck? 3 ways to sunshine, and I've missed 2 medium-sized fish now.
Yeah. Need the forceps?
Yeah, he'll come out. He's not deep, he's just...
Yeah, I just thought it was funny because this girl doesn't know shit about trout fishing, but she fucking designs the raceways.
Well, classic American know-how.
Yeah, right? She was like, are there trout in this river? I was like, yeah.
There's the
really?
guy.
Yeah.
The shield to the radiation.
Basically protecting them.
They can reproduce. It's just like human beings to think they're the smartest animal on the planet, isn't it? Here we go.
Another double. This little bastard.
This is a nicer fish too, a little bit better.
This little bastard got all 3 hooks and I can't figure out how to get him out.
This guy's almost a 12.
Ah, shit.
Lost your force up?
Yeah.
There's a nice brown.
Yeah.
Looks like right about 11 or 12. I hit the bank clover, tapped it in the water, and he banged it as soon as it hit the water. Neat spots on that guy. That's a pattern you don't see. It's 11. You don't see that pattern a lot. Yeah, really goofy spots. You need a pliers?
I need fucking forceps. I don't have them.
This has a hook barb on it at least to grab the back of the shank of the hook and put that long end in first.
Sitting on the bank where I last used it.
Here's a nicer brown.
Decent one?
Yeah, this is a decent one. Not big, but 13.
Nice.
Hit that little nook and cranny in the middle there. That's where he was.
Nice little 12er.
Yeah, 12 on the dot, I would guess. Yeah, nice.
Nice and dark.
There were several of them in there. If you get the angle and backhand in there, in between the tree and the stump. Yeah. Oh, that was a nice follower. Here's a nicer fish. It's a big fish.
Come here, fucker. Right into the
All
frame.
right. That's what we came for. 15 he looks like.
That's a fat fucking fish.
Oh, he was not getting away.
Or was he?
No. He had been stuck quite well. Nice fish though.
Nice fat boy.
Oh wait, let me do this one.
He's trying to fucking tunnel his way out.
Oh, let's get him out of here. Yeah, nice hefty shoulders on this guy.
Yeah.
There's a nice brown. I take that back. I think he's 16.
He's thick.
What do we got?
Yeah. Just shy of 16. No, yeah, just shy. 15 3/4.
Nice
big
fish.
male jaw on that thing too.
Nice fish. Yeah. Yeah.
Looking good.
Awesome. There we go. They've got to be tiny little guys.
Yeah. Must be getting to the HI. Reel that poor bastard a long way. It's not even that tiny. That's a fat one. I wonder what his problem is. Didn't seem to be fighting much.
That's a weird looking fish.
Yeah, humpback.
There we go.
Unhook him or just let him run around?
I'm going to let him run around here. Hey, little brown.